So what you can also do is you can go around and generate CSV data in Microsoft Copilot. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, make a CSV format table of a daily routine of a student right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it creates a CSV format routine right here, just like this. So you can see that it divided the time and activity right here, just like this over here. Let me just go around and copy this out right here, and then I'm going to go around and bring, let's say, Notepad right here, and then paste out the content around over here in this Notepad. So now I'm going to go around and save this out over here on my desktop right here, and save it as all files, and I'm going to rename this out as CSV file right here, and click on save. So once I go around and do that, I can go around and drag this apart, and you can see the CSV file right here. So I'm just going to go around and open this out with any spreadsheet application like Excel right here. So once I go around and do that right here, now you can see that this is what opens up right here. So you see the time and activity right here. So you can see that this is the time, this is the activity, but over here you can see that it is actually divided, but it can be arranged out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and then that is how you can generate out CSV files. Let me just go around and delete these out right here, just like this, and then make a bit of changes around over here, and you can see that this is the data that I have. So that is how you can generate CSV data by using Microsoft Copilot. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.